Hi folks, welcome aboard Simi's Kitchen Diaries. Yakni is a Kashmiri main course recipe that is very popular in North India. And today I am going to prepare this dish for you all. This is a yogurt based dish with minimal ingredients. And it's easy to prepare and one of the richest and tastiest lamb dish I have ever tasted. Let's look at the ingredients. I've used front fatty ribs here in my recipe. Along with that we need dry ginger powder, aniseed powder, salt and water. Add all these ingredients to the mutton. Add all these ingredients to the lamb and cook till soft and tender. Rest of the ingredients needed for the gravy are yogurt, green cardamom, garam masala powder. I have added some whole cinnamon and cloves also, which is not shown here. The lamb is cooked to tender and soft, and the water has been reduced to half. You can see the texture of the lamb here. It is very tender and soft. Now we'll move to the final phase of this recipe. Heat a pan and add some ghee. Add the yogurt. Whisk thoroughly. We have to keep whisking it until the yogurt is reduced to half and is very creamy in nature. So while we are whisking away this yogurt, to keep you engaged, I'll just go back to the history of this recipe. This dish was originated in Persia and was introduced to India by the Mughals, Romans and Greeks when they invaded her. That's how yakni came to India. And the other hallmark of this dish is that the usual ingredients of turmeric, ginger, garlic, onion, tomato, none of it is used in this dish, unlike the rest of the Indian dishes. So this was a short history about this recipe. And coming back to our dish, the yogurt has started boiling now. Keep whisking till it's creamy and the right texture is obtained. And our yogurt has been reduced to half now, and you can see the texture now. It's very creamy. It's time to add the garam masala now. It's powdered garam masala. You can go visit my blog for the recipe of the garam masala. I'm also adding some whole cinnamon and clove to get an extra flavor. We'll allow this to simmer for some time with the masala so that the flavors are infused thoroughly to the yogurt. We'll add the lamb with the stock now. We are adding the stock so that allow it to simmer 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame until you get a thick gravy. You can see here now gravy has been reduced, well coated with the yogurt based gravy. Now we'll add the cardamoms. Give a slight crush to the cardamom and mix gently to the mutton. You have to be very careful because the mutton is very soft and tender. There are chances of mutton breaking up. Put on the lid. Let it stand on very low flame for a couple of minutes and switch off the stove, so that the cardamom releases its flavor and aroma. There goes. Our yakni is ready to serve. Serve it with hot naan or tandoori roti. Please visit my blog for the quantities and measurements. Give a thumbs up if you like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and tips. This is Simi Anwar signing off today from Simi's Kitchen Diaries.